everybody, in this video you'll be learning how you can develop an app that displays odd or even numbers on the console based on the user input. So before we develop our app, let's look at a quick preview of how our app will look after we develop it. So here on the console, it'll ask me to enter a number. So if I say 10 and hit enter, it displays all the even numbers from 0 to 10. So this is the program for even numbers, and we'll do the odd numbers program later in this video. So now it is asking me, do you want to continue? Yes or no? So here if I type in yes, then the program will execute again. Okay, so now if here I type in some garbage, then it will say me invalid choice. Please say yes or no. And if I try to put capital Y, small e, and capital yes, still the program will continue to execute. Now let's take a look at how we can build this application in a very simple way. So I'll just create a console application on Visual Studio. So here I've created a console application on Visual Studio and I've named it even and odd numbers. What we are going to do first in this program is we're going to take an input from the user till where he wants to find even numbers. So this is a program for even numbers, and we'll be doing the program for odd numbers later in this video. So console.write, we'll write it on the console. Console.write, what we want to write is please enter a number. Colon, space, and then int, we're going to declare a variable. Int, I'm going to call this user input and assign this the value of the value that is read from the console. So console.readline. So here you can see that we have an error. That is, cannot implicitly convert type string to integer. That's because the value that is read from the console is in a string format. So to solve this error, just use the parse method or the convert class. So I'm going to use the parse method. So I'm going to say int.parse and pass this as parameters. Yeah. Now let's use a for loop. So for int, I'm going to say start and assign this the value of 0, semicolon, and I'm going to say start less than or equal to user input. So here we are checking the condition, that is, if start is less than or equal to user input, then the code inside this for loop will execute, else it will break out of the loop. Now we're going to increment start by 2. So I'm going to say start plus equals 2. Okay, and then the body for this for loop. We don't need curly brackets because this is only going to consist of one line. So number, we'll write on the console number, placeholder for the variable start. Okay, so now let's run our program and check what will be the output. So just run this program. So here I've just run the program, and on the console you can see that it is a message that is please enter a number. So here let me enter a number. So again I'm going to say 10. When I hit enter, you can see that all the even numbers from 0 to 10 have been displayed on the console. So just close this program. Now let us enhance this code with a do while loop. That will be for asking the user if he or she wants to continue or not. First, declare a string variable, string. Do you want to continue? So that's, do you want to continue? And assign this the value of string dot empty semicolon. Now we will ask the user on the console if he or she wants to continue. So, do you want to continue? Yes or no. So that's the options the user has. So yes or no. And then, do you want to continue? The value of do you want to continue will be the value that is read from the console. So, console dot readline bracket semicolon. Now we're gonna add all of this code inside a do while loop. Do all of this code, just a second, all of this code while the value of variable do you want to continue. So here you can see that there is an error. That's because this variable is not available in the scope of while because it's declared in the scope of do. So to avoid this error, just do the declaration of this variable out of the scope of do. So, wait, I'm sorry. Yeah, cut that, paste that in there. So now let's type that in again. So do you want to continue? So now it is available. Equals yes from the user. And we have forgot one thing here. That is, so I'm sorry guys, here I've put the assignment operator while I had to put the equality operator. And then adding a semicolon there. Here you can see that we're comparing this value of the do you want to continue variable with uppercase string, and we're not even converting that value that is read from the console to upper. So to do that, I'm gonna say, well, we're reading this on the console to upper. Okay, now this is looking good. Okay, now let's add another do while loop here. So do, we want to do this while we have not put any code inside that. I'll just put that in. So after doing this, so do you want to continue? The value of that is not equal to yes, and its value is not equal to no. Semicolon there. So we want to write on the console that invalid choice. So like you have already seen on the console, when I type in some garbage, it says me that invalid choice, please say yes or no. So I'm going to do the same implementation here, invalid choice, please say yes or no. There, and again we will read that value from the console. So do you want to continue equals console.readline dot to upper. So we are converting that to upper again, to uppercase. Semicolon there, and now our program should work fine. Oh, I'm sorry, I see an issue over here. we have to check a condition over here before executing these two, or else every time we type in yes or we type in no, we're gonna get invalid choice. Please say yes or no. So if I'm gonna add that, the same condition here, if you want to continue not equal to yes and you want to continue not equal to no, then curly brackets and in that curly bracket here. Now it should kind of work fine. Let's just run this program. Just run the program, Control F5. So this kind of a window opens. Now I will say my input number will be 20. So just type in 20. And it asks me, do you want to continue, yes or no? So here, for example, if I type in some garbage again, like I've already showed you, it says invalid choice, please say yes or no. So now if I say straight up yes, the program continues to go on. Now, if I say capital Y, small e, and capital yes, then also the program will continue on. So this is why we converted that value that is read from the console to upper. If we never converted that to upper, then all this, if we would have typed in this same input, it would have said invalid choice, please say yes or no. Now here, if I say no, small n, capital O, then the program terminates and it says me press any key to continue. So just end that program or just terminate that program. And now if you want to work with odd numbers, then just change the value of this integer stored to 1. Okay, so now let's run this program. So Control plus F5. So it asks me to enter a number. If I say 10, this time it prints the odd numbers instead of the even numbers. And here too, I'll say no and terminate the program. So now that's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to like and share this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more. Goodbye till the next video.